In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app. You'll be directed to this page. Over here, you're gonna find all the conversation. First up, I'm gonna delete any of the conversation. After delete it, where can you find it? For that, navigate to the menu page. Then you will need to click on this option settings. Now here you're gonna find different option. Head over to the section Account Center, click on it. Now click on this option Your Information and Permissions. Now click on the option Export Your Information. Now click on the option Create Export. Click on the option Export to Device. Now scroll down and click on the option Customize Information. Scroll up and click on Clear All and check in for the option Messages. Likewise, click on the option Date Range and select it. Then click on Save. Likewise, click on the option Format and select it. Then click on the option Media Quality and select it. After you are done, click on Start Export. Facebook will start compiling your data. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours depending on how much information you have. Once it's done, Facebook will send you an email with a link where you can download your data including deleted messages. And that's it. That's how you recover deleted messages in Facebook Messenger. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.